Today starts what might be the craziest 48 hours of our entire lives. We had no intentions of coming to Switzerland on this trip. But after landing in Italy, we received a message from Outdoor Interlaken that said something along the lines of, "Hey, saw you were in Italy. We'd like to invite you to visit the adventure capital of Europe." After a quick glance at their website, I knew that we had to go. But first, I had some major convincing to do. Jumping out of airplanes and sliding down freezing cold waterfalls sounded a lot more fun to me than it did to
Yang.
After a lot of convincing and bribing with cheese fondue, a begrudging yes was all I needed before I booked our train tickets north to Switzerland. Over the next 2 days, we are going to attempt to pack in canyoneering, bungee jumping, skydiving, a canyon swing, and paragliding. Let's do this. What's up?
All good, ready to go?
Let's do it.
If it doesn't fit, blame me. Don't blame your own figure.
All right, we're getting suited up for the first adventure. This one involves rubber boots. Any guesses? Too many options.
What do you think about my bow?
I love it.
Is this too distracting?
No. Shout out to Mr. Beast.
Ow!
I don't think we could have picked a worse activity to start with for Kara. Her least favorite thing is cold water. She might be dreading this more than jumping out of an airplane. I'm feeling pretty invincible right now, although if you look up to the top of the mountains, you can see the glaciers where the water's coming from that we're about to jump into, so I'm under no illusion that it's gonna be warm.
There we go. That is where we're starting.
Can't wait for the scared faces. It's always great to see people getting out of their comfort zone.
Nice diaper.
Step on over, queen. Tricky part, very good. And now first of all, do a step backwards. Just lean back more. And now you can start walking. Try to jump out on my command. 1, 2, 3, up. Very good, my dear.
Did she make it? That is 50 meters straight down a sheer cliff.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm feeling very much like my life is in your hands right now.
It actually is. Yeah. Nice, beast.
Let's do it! Oh my gosh, that was mean. This is the current situation.
Okay, beast, do a jump on 3. 1, 2, 3, up. Woo!
Woo!
Let's go. You ready for this?
No!
This was your idea!
3, 2, 1, go!
My hands are so cold.
You don't use the 4-letter C word here, my dear.
This is the coldest water I've ever experienced in my entire life.
Ah!
I can't feel my body! Why? So cold. Why are we doing this?
I think that's the first time I've ever gotten a brain freeze from the outside.
You know, today's Friday, right? You know what that means? No. It's Backflip Friday.
I've done a lot of backflips, but never hanging from a rope in a canyon.
Okay, Queen, are you ready?
Yeah.
On my command, you're gonna let go. Let go!
Oh, she did it, no problem.
Cheerleading skill coming to show in the caddy. Let go!
Wow, that was scary.
I'm so proud of you. Who are we?
Go! I feel alive.
Yeah, something like that.
That's it for canyoneering, but that is just a warm-up for what's coming next.
I'm not very warm.
All right, this is happening.
So you have bungeed before?
Yes, 5 years ago. I feel just as nervous as the first time.
And it's bungee jumping, we go head first. So this is your head.
So we just got our first glimpse of what is actually happening. This lake in front of me, the gondola is gonna drive us halfway up that cable, suspend us right above the lake, and then we are going to free fall 134 meters out of the gondola. Okay, it's all feeling very real right now. There's no turning back now.
I can't believe we're doing it again.
Real quick, we want to say a big thank you to Athletic Greens for sponsoring this video, and also for being the easiest thing that we do that makes the biggest difference in our health. After we returned home from international travel last year, we got on a major health kick, and that's when we discovered Athletic Greens. Since then, it's been a part of our daily routine for over a year now. It's basically a multivitamin on steroids that helps support gut health, energy, immunity, and stress. Since we're constantly on the road or in the air, it's especially hard to ensure that we're getting all the vitamins and minerals that we need from our daily diet. That's why we consider Athletic Greens our nutritional insurance. When we're traveling in the van, we keep a jar of Athletic Greens in the fridge, and we start our day with it because we know no matter what happens, our bodies are getting the nutrition they need. It also comes in these super convenient travel packs that we've been using on this European adventure. If you could use some nutritional insurance of your own, just click the link in the description below to grab the Athletic Greens Immunity Bundle. It comes with a 1-year supply of vitamin D plus 10 of these individual travel packs for free with your first purchase. Back to whatever craziness is happening at this point in the video.
And we're off.
It is hard to enjoy the views knowing that we are going to be jumping out of this thing in just a few minutes.
This is good. We can stop here.
Oh, why did I do this? Oh my gosh.
We can do it.
I love you.
I too.
Oh my gosh, what am I doing?
I don't think I've ever seen you this nervous.
Quite loose, huh? What? I'm not the one that... I'm a trainee. Straight forward. Oh, no.
You can do it, Nate!
What am I doing? Ready? No. 3, 2, 1. Go!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my goodness!
Oh gosh!
Oh, I can't believe I made myself do that twice. Oh, wow. Now they said pull this red cord really hard. Oh, I hated that. I hated that. Kara, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I made us do this again. This is the current situation. It's over, but it's still scary. Take your time. No rush. Oh, I'm so glad it's over. Oh my goodness. I jumped and then I just like panicked and started flailing my arms. Oh my God.
5 years ago, we jumped out of a very similar gondola in New Zealand. It was a great experience, but I told myself I marked it off the list. I was never gonna do it again, but here I am, again.
Here's the last one to go.
Hi, I'm about to jump out of a gondola. Oh my gosh.
It's your first time. You can do it. I love you. You can do it. 3, 2, 1, go! That was a serious scream. She don't like you anymore, bro.
I thought you were gonna cry. Oh, that was so scary. It's so pretty though. It's so pretty. That was the craziest thing I've ever done. Oh gosh.
You want her back? Yeah, I guess.
That's crazy. Oh man, could you hear me screaming?
Yes, it sounded like you were gonna die.
I felt like I fell forever. I'm like, is this thing gonna catch me? Like, am I just gonna go straight to the... I can't believe you got me to do this.
If this video gets 100,000 likes.
No way.
I'll convince Kara to bungee jump again.
All right, tonight I'm keeping my promise. This restaurant is at the top of the tallest hotel in Interlaken, and we are about to eat our weight in cheese fondue with this view. Worth it.
Oh, this is so much cheese. I so deserve this. Bungee jumping was way scarier than I remember it being, and cheese fondue is way better than I remember it being.
Good morning from a tiny airport just outside of Interlaken. That plane right there is about to take us up to 13,000 feet, and we're gonna jump.
Back in 2009, Nate surprised me on our 2-year dating anniversary with tickets to go skydiving. So I should have known what I was getting into with this relationship.
There it is.
What are you trying to do right now? You think this is helping?
Cara? Well, mate, you're going to be jumping with me.
All right.
Ready?
I think so.
Cool. Come jump in here. Slide that through your knee. Like a backpack. Whose idea was this? Yours or?
No, it wasn't my idea. The guide strapped to my back is Australian, so that'll make things a little more enjoyable.
I have zero nerves right now.
Congratulations.
Things could change when we get in the airplane, but I'm actually really looking forward to it.
Well, that's how I felt yesterday about Bungy, and we all know how that went. I'm gonna cry. Here we go.
Do you hate me yet?
I mean,
Show me your Vogue. Here we go. Vogue, Vogue, Vogue.
She's coming willingly, that was a joke.
no, it wasn't.
All right, here we go. Have fun. Enjoy.
Woo! I'm a little nervous now.
Do you remember the parachutes?
Yeah, I got
Both
it.
of them?
Yeah. It doesn't get much more beautiful than that.
Woo! Nate, you owe me! Number 3? I love you! I love you too!
Whoa! I have no more spit left in my mouth! That was amazing!
We did it! I love you!
Oh, come on!
It's smooth sailing from here, baby! Woo! Baby night!
I'm flying the parachute. You trust me?
Yep.
Yeah. Whoa, that's fast! Woo-hoo!
What a view! These mountains! Oh, it's bringing tears to my eyes. Or maybe it's the wind.
I just want to stay up here forever. Kara's falling out of the sky way faster than I am.
My wind sky diving.
Wow, the ground shows up fast.
Watch out!
Oh, we did it! Oh, perfect! Thank you. I'll get out of your lap.
You're amazing.
Yeah, we all survived.
It was amazing.
Yeah, that was so
Now
fun.
that I'm on the ground, this beautiful ground.
Are you glad you did it?
I'm glad I did it. I always say that.
Now, on to the canyon swing.
All right, let's do it.
I was so in my head for the bungee yesterday that just none of the experience was enjoyable. So today I'm gonna try to keep my emotions in check and actually enjoy the canyon swing. There's something that I've been waiting to tell you that I learned yesterday, but I figured there was no reason for both of us to worry. The free fall on the canyon swing is twice as high as the bungee. But see, I've been worrying about that for the past 24 hours.
I've been looking forward to this until just now.
Look at that attitude with her hands on her hips. Enjoy it, enjoy it. I did a good job at skydiving this morning. At least yesterday there was the illusion that if something bad happened, then maybe you'd go in the water and live. Here it's just rocks.
Why do people do this? I can see the canyon, it's beautiful.
Just don't think about it. Chest out, head up.
Oh my gosh.
We just watched the first guy go, and it doesn't look like the rope catches you until you're about 10 feet away from the rocks. And for scale, these are people standing down in the bottom of the canyon. I've gotten a few of these crazy things under my belt, so I've decided for the canyon swing, I'm just gonna attempt to go Zen mode. No scream, just fall off like James Bond.
Good luck with that.
Let's get it over with.
Zen mode, Nate.
It's all going out the window. I feel it going out the window.
Any last words?
Get this nice and tight.
Thanks, that's a great idea. All right, here goes nothing.
Chest out, head up.
I love you.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Beautiful.
I think you did it.
I did it! That was beautiful!
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna poop my pants.
Wow! Look at this view! That was the best thing ever! I love my life!
You're looking a little bit excited, Kara.
Can't believe he's talked me into this.
Woo! I'm just happy right now. Today has been so epic.
Okay.
Come on out.
All right, it looks like Kara's about to go.
3, 2, 1.
She does not look like she's having fun at all. You did it!
That was pretty zen, right?
see a lot of relief on Kara's face right now.
That was so crazy. I was worse than the bungee. All of my limbs were going like this. It was like my body was trying to stop itself from falling.
Looking at your face on the way down scared me to the point where I thought something was wrong.
It was wrong.
I have never seen fear like that in your eyes.
Last day. All right, this adventure is stretched into a third day. Yesterday after the canyon swing, some very thick clouds settled in over the city and running off a mountain was rescheduled until this morning.
I'm actually kind of looking forward to today. So beautiful.
This is pretty crazy because of the clouds. You can't even get close to seeing where we're landing.
This feels totally different than everything else we've done. My adrenaline's not pumping. I don't feel like I'm gonna pee my pants.
Okay, we're going.
We're going?
3, 2, 1, and run. Go, 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 go.
Run!
Trying to come up.
We did it! Wow, this is amazing.
It does not get more beautiful than this. By far the most peaceful thing we've done in the last 48 hours.
Wow, I love how the clouds are just resting on the mountain.
There he is. Going through the clouds. Ah! That's amazing!
Kara!
Hey! I'm having so much fun! Doesn't even look real.
Flying over the city looks epic.
Wow!
Wow, looks like she's crashing.
I think we just did a flip.
Getting closer now.
Just take me straight to breakfast.
We'll be there in a minute!
Thank you, Tom! This is how I'll always picture Interlaken. Just people falling out of the sky left and right. Woo! Here he comes! Yay!
Now that was the way to end it.
Thanks for doing it with me.
This was the best. Everything has been like so scary, and this was just so peaceful.
I'm so happy to hear you
beautiful.
say that.
It was magical.
Are you emotional right now because you enjoyed that so much or because this is all over?
Can't ride anything.
Because it's quite cold in here.
Just cold. That's the only reason my hands are shaking. This video better be good. I'm never doing it again.
Has any people told you you look like Ronaldo?
I've heard it a few times.
I was like,
This thing is awesome. They've just strung a giant net up across the canyon. God, it feels like that scene out of Ace Ventura. Anything you want to say to your friends and family before we get on that plane?
If for some reason we don't make it, Kara.
What? How about see you later?
Okay, see you later.
All right, give me 5.